Hello, hope you're doing well there. What is jump rope? Well, jumping rope is an effective and versatile exercise that can help you achieve your fitness goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your cardiovascular health, or build endurance, a jump rope can be a valuable tool in your fitness arsenal. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of jumping rope, the different types of jump ropes available, and how to use each one effectively. First, let's talk about the benefits of jumping rope. One of the biggest advantages of this exercise is that it's a full body workout. Jumping rope engages all of the major muscle groups in your body, including your legs, arms, and core. It also improves your cardiovascular health by increasing your heart rate and oxygen consumption, which helps to strengthen your heart and lungs. Jumping rope is also a great way to burn calories and lose weight. Depending on your weight and fitness level, you can burn up to 10 calories per minute by jumping rope. This makes it one of the most effective exercises for weight loss. Now, let's take a look at the different types of jump ropes available. The most common type of jump rope is a standard rope with plastic or wooden handles. These ropes are lightweight, durable, and easy to use. They're a great option for beginners or anyone who wants a simple, no-frills jump rope. Another type of jump rope is the weighted rope. These ropes have extra weight in the handles or the rope itself, which makes them more challenging to use. Weighted ropes are great for building strength and endurance, but they're not recommended for beginners. A speed rope is another option for more advanced jumpers. Speed ropes are lightweight and designed for quick, fast-paced jumping. They're great for building speed and agility, but they require a certain level of skill and coordination to use effectively. These ropes allow you to customize the length of the rope to fit your height and jumping style. They're a great option for anyone who wants a jump rope that's tailored to their needs. So, how do you use each type of jump rope effectively? For a standard jump rope, start by holding the handles in each hand and standing with the rope behind you. Swing the rope over your head and jump over it as it comes towards your feet. Keep your jumps small and your feet close together to start. For a weighted rope, use the same technique as a standard rope, but be prepared for the extra resistance. You'll need to jump higher and swing the rope harder to keep it moving. For a speed rope, focus on making quick, precise jumps. Keep your arms close to your body and your wrists loose to maintain a fast pace. And for an adjustable rope, make sure to adjust the length to fit your height and jumping style. Jumping rope is a fun and effective exercise that can help you achieve your fitness goals. So grab a rope, get jumping, and enjoy the many benefits of this versatile exercise. Thank you for watching.